Hello dear students, you are welcome in RK Institute and I am Dr. RK Saini and today I will discuss IUPAC name of organic compound, particularly IUPAC name of alkane. IUPAC name of alkane. First of all, we introduce alkane. Alkane are those saturated hydrocarbon, hydrocarbon whose molecular formula, general formula is CnH2n plus 2 and they contain carbon-carbon single bond. In case of molecular formula, we write name of alk and then write suffix of alkane, and the suffix of alkane is ane. The alk means number of carbon atom. If carbon 1 present in the alkane, then it is known as meth. Carbon 2, then eth. Carbon 3, prop. Carbon 4, but. Carbon 5, pent. Carbon 6, hex. Carbon 7, het. Carbon 8, oct. Carbon 9, non. Carbon 10, dec. Carbon 11, undec. Carbon 12, dodec, etc. For example, a very elementary question: identify alkane and write their IUPAC name. First, molecular formula C4H8. Second one is C5H10. Third one is C5H8 and fourth one is C6H14. First of all, we identify alkane in given molecular formula and the compound, those hydrocarbon whose molecular form, simple formula is CnH2n plus 2. For example, in case of this compound, carbon is 4 and hydrogen is 8, means it is not alkane, that not obey this formula. Simply, compound second does not obey this formula. When number of carbon n is 5 and hydrogen is 10, means CnH2n only, not plus 2. Compound third is also not alkane, but compound 6 is the alkane. Their general formula obey CnH2n plus 2. Number of carbon is 6, n equals to 6. Then total number of hydrogen are 14, means compound 4th is the alkane. Therefore, and their general name, a common IUPAC name, we write name of alk. Carbon 6 we write hex and use ane as a suffix. Therefore, it is hexane. Now we discuss IUPAC name of alkane when given their structural formula. Following rules for their name. Rule first. First of all, we select longest chain of carbon atom. Longest chain of carbon atom with maximum substitution. For example, two longest chain are possible. For example, we select this chain. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 carbons are present in the parent chain. And two substituents, 7 carbon and 2 substituent. Substituent means side chain. one is substituent here and another substituent is there. Therefore, two substituent. If we select this longest chain, then it also contains 7 carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And number of side chain or substituent are 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Carbon atom 7 in principal chain and substituent 4 substituent. Therefore, chain second is a correct and first is incorrect. Rule first, we select longest chain of carbon atom with maximum substitution. Then rule second. Numbering of the principal chain. Rule second is the numbering of principal chain. We write number of that end at which substituent occupy lowest position. For example, we write numbering of this end, then 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then substituent occupy position 4. But when we start numbering from this end, then substituent occupy second position. Therefore, it is correct numbering. Rule third. If different substituent present at the identical position, of both end. For example, where ethyl present at the third end when numbering this end, and from this end the methyl occupy position third. When different alkyl radicals or substituent occupy identical position from the both end, then we give numbering of those substituent in which lowest position of those substituent which come first in alphabetical order. Then therefore 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 is correct numbering of the principal chain. Rule next. If two or more identical substituent occupy identical position, same substituent occupy identical position, then we compare their position one by one. For example, if we start numbering from this end, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then the position of substituent is 2, 4 and 7. If we start numbering from this end, then the position of substituent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then their position compare one by one. First substituent position 2 from this end right hand side or from left hand side. Then compare position of other substituent. When we numbering from left side, then 1, 2, 3, 4 position. From right hand side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore 2, 5, 7. And hence it is incorrect numbering. Their position compare one by one. 2, 2, 4, 4. Therefore this numbering is correct. It is also known as lowest sum rule of the locant. Lowest sum rule of the locant. यहाँ पर टोटल 13 आ जाएगा, 13 and here 14. Therefore this numbering is correct. And then order of naming. Rule next है order of naming. First of all, we write name of substituent. Alphabetically. Then write name of alk. Alk means root word. Root word means maximum number of carbon atom in principal chain. number of carbon atom in principal chain, and then use suffix of hydrocarbon, where hydrocarbon is alkane, therefore their suffix is n. For example, write name of following compound. Write name of following compound. First, suppose this substituent is ethyl. Naming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 2 and 3 position get methyl and position 4 get ethyl. And hence the name of compound is 4-ethyl, 2,3-dimethyl, 2,3 dimethyl, and total number of carbon present in principal chain is 6. Therefore its alk is hex and suffix is n. And hence this compound is known as 4-methyl 2,3-4-ethyl 2,3-dimethyl hexane. Now we write name of substituent, alkyl substituent or side chain, or name of alkyl radical. Name of alkyl radical. After removal of one hydrogen from alkane, the remaining part is known as alkyl group. It is alkane and it is known as alkyl. Means after removal of one hydrogen, the remaining part is known as alkyl group or radical, where ane, suffix ane replaced by yl. For example, C4H10 is a alkane and it is known as a butane. If one hydrogen removed from the butane, then its radical is C4H9 and it is known as butyl. It has different structures. But all basic name of all radicals are known as butyl. It may be N-butyl, isobutyl, secondary butyl and tertiary butyl, etc. In case of naming of alkyl radical, for example, it is known as methyl, ethyl, and it is propyl. Propyl also have two structures, namely straight chain radical or maybe branched, but both are propyl. When straight chain present in the radical, then we use N normal, and hence it is known as N-propyl, commonly known as N-propyl, and in IUPAC it is only known as propyl. Commonly is known as N-propyl, normal propyl, and in IUPAC it is known as propyl only. In case of branched, if end carbon contains CH3, CH and CH3, then we use iso as the prefix, and total number of carbon is 3. Therefore this radical is known as isopropyl. Isopropyl is also common name, but accepted by IUPAC system. And in case of alphabetically we consider their I. The actual IUPAC name of this radical is, we select longest chain, give minimum position to the free valency of atom. Therefore the principal radical is ethyl and first carbon substituted with methyl. Therefore its exact IUPAC name is first methyl ethyl. Right, 1 dash or simple 1. First methyl ethyl. Its actual IUPAC name. In case of alphabetically, we consider first letter in their name. For example, butyl radicals C4H9 are butyl radical, are known as butyl radical. They may be Straight chain may be branched, may have following structure, and it may have following structure. Four structures are possible. If four carbon atom present in straight chain, then it is known as N-butyl. N-butyl. Normal term using common names, but in IUPAC it is simply known as butyl. In case of this part is known as iso and remaining part is straight, then it is known as isobutyl. Iso term is also common but accepted by IUPAC system. Therefore, it is known as isobutyl. But its actual IUPAC name is 2-methyl propyl, because the longest chain is 3 carbon atom is propyl, at which second carbon substitute and it is methyl. Therefore, its actual IUPAC name is 2-methyl propyl. 2-methyl propyl. We consider N in alphabetical order. And similarly, this radical is known as secondary butyl. Secondary butyl, because this carbon is secondary, connected with two other carbon atom. In alphabetically, secondary does not consider, but it's consider only butyl. Exact IUPAC name is, we select longest chain and give minimum position to the free valency of carbon atom. Therefore, it is exact IUPAC name is 1-methyl propyl. It's 1-methyl propyl. It's 1-methyl propyl. And in case of fourth radical, it is also butyl, but on the basis of type of carbon atom, it is known as tertiary butyl. It is known as tertiary butyl. Tertiary does not consider an alphabetical order, only consider butyl. Its actual IUPAC name is 1,1-dimethyl ethyl, because longest chain contain 2 carbon atom. 2 means ethyl. At their position first contain 2 substituent are ethyl, and hence it is known as 1,1-dimethyl ethyl. In case of alphabetical order, we consider D, means first letter of the name, considered in alphabetical order. Therefore, we write name of substituent according to this order. If hydrogen of any alkyl radical is replaced by another atom or group, then we write name of atom or group first, then write name of principal radical. For example, if hydrogen of methyl radical replaced by another atom, for example, one hydrogen replaced by Cl, then this radical is known as chloromethyl. They are also known as complex radical. If hydrogen of alkyl radical replaced by any atom or group, then we write name of any atom or group first and then write name of principal radical. For example, ClCH2, its name is chloromethyl, name of first and then principal name. Such type radical are known as complex radical. For example, it is ethyl, principal radical is ethyl. If it's one hydrogen of carbon first replaced by Cl and another hydrogen of carbon second replaced by Br, then name of radical, then it is also complex. Therefore, its name is 2-bromo, first chloro, alphabetically, first chloroethyl. It is also complex. First of all, we write name of substituent alphabetically and then write name of principal radical. Question. एक another rule और देखो. If rule और सुनिए. If two or more complex radical present in the compound, then we use base for 2 times for complex radical के लिए ध्यान रखें आप. For complex radical are also known as complex radical are also known as substituted substituent because their hydrogen atom is replaced by another atom or group, and hence they are known as complex. If complex radical comes 2 times, then we use bis. There 3 times, then we use tris. 3 times tetrakis, tetrakis for 4 time, pentakis for 5 time, etc. Pentakis for 5 time, etc. Question. Question. Write IUPAC name of following species. First of all, we select longest chain. Rule first, we select longest chain with maximum substitution, and hence it is longest chain with maximum substitution. Second, numbering of the principal chain. If we start numbering from this end, then substituent occupies second position, and in case of this end, then substituent occupies third position. Therefore, numbering start from this end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then we write name of substituent alphabetically, and then write root word and use suffix for the alkane. This radical is known as chloromethyl. This radical is known as bromomethyl. This radical is also known as chloromethyl, and it is simply methyl. Alphabetically, the radical form fourth occupy first, and hence its name is 4-chloromethyl, bromomethyl. Bromomethyl. In general, the substituted name of substituted substituent or complex radical write in small bracket generally, but not hard and fast. 4-bromomethyl, chloromethyl, and this chloromethyl comes 3 and 5 position. 3, 5 bis 2 times. 3, 5 bis chloromethyl. Chloromethyl. And then write name of simple methyl occupy position second. 2-methyl. These are the name of substituent and arranged in alphabetical order. Name of substituent and arranged in alphabetical order. Then write name of L. How many carbon atoms present in the principal chain? 7. Therefore, the L of 7 carbon is half. And in case of saturated hydrocarbon or alkane, we use their suffix ANE. And hence, their complete name is 4-bromomethyl 3,5 bis chloromethyl 2-methyl heptane. Another example. We take another example. First of all, we write longest chain with maximum substitution. It is the longest chain. Numbering, when we start numbering from this end, then substituent get 1, 2, 3, 4th position, and from this end the substituent get 1, 2, 3, and 4th identical position. Then we compare alphabetical name. This radical is known as 2-chloroethyl. 2-chloroethyl, and this radical, this complex radical is also known as 1-chloroethyl. 1-chloroethyl. They are complex radical. Now in this case, we give lowest number to the substituent in which substituent occupy less position, and hence numbering start from this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Therefore, its IUPAC name is 4-1-chloroethyl, 4-1-chloroethyl, 5-2-chloroethyl, 2-chloroethyl, These are the name of substituent, and total 8 carbon present in parent chain, and hence parent chain is oct and their suffix is ane. तो complete name हुआ 4 first chloroethyl 5 2 chloromethyl octane. Sometime the name of substituted substituent denoted by dash. For example, first chloro is also known as 1 dash chloroethyl and 2 dash chloroethyl. Question. Write IUPAC name of following compound. Write IUPAC name of following compound. Question first. Question second. Question third. And question 4. And question 4. First we discuss compound first. First of all, we select longest chain of the compound, and hence only 3 carbon present in their longest chain. Right numbering. Number any position from 1, 2 and 3. First and 3 contain chloro, and compound and position second contain chloromethyl. Therefore, in alphabetically chloro come first, then methyl. Therefore, its exact IUPAC name is 1,3-dichloro, 1,3-dichloro 2,2 bis chloromethyl propane. Right, alphabetical order of the name of substituent. 1,3-dichloro 2,2 bis, because these radicals are complex, are chloromethyl, and total 3 carbon atom present in their parent chain. Therefore, 3 carbon atom parent chain is prop and suffix ane, and hence its IUPAC name is 1,3-dichloro this. In this case, we select longest chain. Number 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon, but we select 2, 3, 4, 6. Then 6 carbon atom present in the parent chain. 6 carbon atom present in the parent chain, and write numbering. Numbering occupy third position and occupy also third position. Therefore, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And as its exact IUPAC name is 3,4 dimethyl. टोटल कार्बन 6 को यूज करते हैं हेल्प में हेक्स एंड सफिक्स ए 3,4 dimethyl hexane. And in this it is a alkyl radical. In case of alkyl radical, we select longest chain and give minimum position या position first to the carbon of free valency. It is carbon first, second and third. Then its name is 1,1-dimethyl, 1,1-diethyl, 1,1-diethyl 2-methyl, total carbon 3 in principal chain, and then propyl. Its exact IUPAC name is 1,1-diethyl 2-methyl propyl. Similarly, in given case, number 1, number 2 and number 3 and 4 or 3 and 4, 3, 4. Total 4 carbon present in principal chain, and hence its name is 2-ethyl 2-methyl butyl. Total carbon 4, therefore it is butyl, and its second carbon is substituted by ethyl as well as methyl, and alphabetically we write name of ethyl first, then methyl. Question. write formula of following, write structure of following compound and write their correct IUPAC name. Write formula of 2-ethyl 3-isopropyl butane and write their correct IUPAC name. First of all, we write formula of given compound. In this compound, 4 carbon atom present in principal chain, and hence number 1, 2, 3 and 4. At their second position, ethyl group present in their second position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is ethyl, and their third position occupied by propyl radical, isopropyl. Therefore, isopropyl is such radical, and hence its structure is such type. Now we write their exact IUPAC name. First of all, we select longest chain with maximum substitution, and hence its principal chain contain 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6 carbon. Numbering any end from this end 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and the name of substituent 2, 3, second methyl, third methyl and fourth methyl. 2, 3, 4, 3 times trimethyl, and parent carbon contains 6 carbon atom, and hence their root word is hex, and due to single bond between carbon, therefore the suffix is then. Therefore its correct IUPAC name is 2,3,4 trimethylhexane. Thank you. In another class we discuss IUPAC name of alkene, alkyne, etc. Okay.